In this video, I'm gonna try out pre-colored UV resin for the very first time and let you know what I really think about it. What's going on, my fellow jewelers? So Terry, thank you, giving you a shout out, gave me a gift and sent this pre-colored UV resin. I'm pretty excited because I don't have to spend the time coloring it or making it just right. And so we're gonna try out today. I'm gonna be doing a jewelry piece for you. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe my channel if you haven't already. But let's try this beauty right here, right now. Just look at them all. This is what it all comes with, this kit that I was given out. I'm gonna not use black today. I'm not really a fan of UV black because it just doesn't cure properly. So it's interesting that they would send it. We'll try it out later. But I'm in the mood for black today. I'm in the mood for white. So I'm going to try green and red together on this pendant, purple and yellow on this pendant, and lavender and blue on this pendant using white as in all three of them. So I'm gonna put tape on all these guys. So I'm gonna get my tape, cut it up. I'm just gonna put all three of them on the same piece of tape. I'm folding it over because I wanna place for my fingers. Put this down. This is actually a silicone mat and I really love it for making resin. It protects my desk, but it also, like this thing, it's not gonna move around very much. So I love this mat. I would highly recommend it when you're doing resin. So the only time I don't use a respirator is when I'm filming. So make sure you wear a respirator, make sure you're wearing gloves. This is chemicals and it can hurt you, damage you, just protect yourself, okay? So I wanna try the purple and blue. I'm gonna be using a toothpick. Usually I have my handy dandy tool, but I thought a toothpick would be fun to use. I'm gonna do a fun little pattern. Okay, let's try these babies out. Oh, look at that color. It almost looks like candy. That's so interesting. Okay, I'm gonna try these. Yes. Huh, that's interesting. Again, just doing a fun little pattern, trying these colors out. Oh, look at that. Ooh, okay. Literally looks like melted candy to me. That's interesting. And then I'm gonna put white in the middle. Yes, okay. Got some bubbles going on. But I'm gonna get out my toothpick, my very expensive tool of my tooth. Just kidding. It's not really expensive at all. Pop these bubbles. We're not just gonna try this UV colored out. We're gonna make some pretty jewelry as well. So I want to kind of move. Yes, look at this. So pretty. Let's try our next colors. We're gonna do purple, yellow, and white. Let's try and see these colors. What do you think about these colors? It really looks like melted candy to me. I don't know why. I'm gonna do yellow first. I'm gonna still do, oh, that's quite the yellow. It's very yellow. Okay. It's interesting they're pre-colored. I kind of like that. The laziness in me likes it because then I don't have to color. I spend less time coloring and mixing and coloring. Mix, toss. Okay, and then purple. Oh, I don't know why I chose purple and yellow, but go with it. Interesting. These colors are interesting. I guess that's the thing about colored UV resin, pre-colored, right? Is that you don't really get to pick the shade or the color. You just get to go with whatever they give you. And sometimes you like the color. Like I like the first colors. Not really fond of the second colors, but that's interesting. Okay. The last one, I guess I'm feeling Christmassy. We're gonna go red and green. I'm gonna cure it, and then we'll see how well they cure. Whew. Okay, I cured it. So I did put a respirator on because it's a lot stronger smell than other UV resin. It's a lot stronger smell. It's giving me kind of a headache. I opened the window, I put my respirator on to cure it, and so yeah, it's a lot stronger smell. So I was reading the box for further instructions, right? And one thing it said that I really want to tell you because I feel it's important. It says, do not eat, drink, or smoke. So for those that are really tempted to smoke this, I just suggest you don't smoke it. Just withhold any temptation to smoke UV. I think that's the funniest instructions ever. Come on now. Come on. I keep throwing that box. Don't smoke it. Don't do it. I know it may be tempting you, but don't do it. All right. Don't smoke it. Come on. Okay. I like it. I think it turned out great. I think look at those colors. They are really pretty. They're really, really pretty. They're different. Like the red to me is more like a pink, I will tell you. Like this is, look at it. It's not a red to me. It's a really pink, but it is so pretty. It's really, I like it. I'm liking this. This is so pretty. Okay. This was the yellow and the purple. It kind of looks green, like a little bit of green to me, but it's so, like, it's a really clean, like clean looking, right? Like, it's really, I like these. These are so great. And the last one, oh, the purple, oh yeah, you can see the purple and the blue. Ooh, I'm a blue and yes. I think these turn out really great. I do like them. Votes are in for myself. Me, myself, and I voted. And I like it. I do like it. Some of the colors are not my favorite. I'm really picky when it comes to colors, but I like it. I like how the pendants turned out. I like the easiness. I don't like the smell. It's really a lot stronger to me than other UV resins. What's your opinion like from this video? I want to hear from you. Would you use pre-made colored UV resin, or you're like, I like to color my own? Tell me in the comments what you guys think, and I want to weigh in your opinion as well. All right, so that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for tuning in and coming along on this journey with me as I try out pre-made UV resin. But make sure you catch my other videos right here. I do lots of resin. I do beaded jewelry. I do the jewelry scene, all right? I got you. So I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.